Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO F21 Pro 5G and I want to show you all camera tricks and hidden features that you can find in this phone camera application. So the first, take a look on the zoom. We got 1x, 2x and 5x, but when you click and hold on already selected function, you'll get this slider and you can zoom to the 6 times. And also we can go between 2 or 5x. So for example, for the 4x. And as you can see, it works very smooth to zoom in and zoom out in this smartphone. Right now, when you click and hold the shutter, as you can see, we can take the burst shot. That's the series of the photo. When you click on the gallery and tap on this icon, you will get preview of all photos that you take. Take a look how it looks. Like very sharp video. If you want to save any of these pictures, just click right here on this bottom bar. You will also get the preview, which one you selected with these blue markers. Click on the right upper corner marker, tap on the keep the 4 selected photos only, and that's the photos that we take, and the rest of them we simply delete. Okay, when you tap on the screen, you can adjust brightness level by moving this icon. Tap on the screen to make it automatically, and it also works in the video mode, for example, and the portrait mode. When you take a look right here on the volume buttons, you can take photos with them by clicking like on the shutter. When you click and hold, you will also take a series of the photo. When you go right here, we can find filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. That's how it looks. When you go right here, we can enable, for example, a camera timer for 3 or 10 seconds. Another tip will be about 64 megapixel mode. Take a look. We'll compare these two photos. So this one was taken with the normal mode, it looks like that. And this the second one was taken with the 64 megapixel mode. And as you can see right here, we got a lot of details, and also we can zoom in definitely closer. Okay, and I think that right now we can simply go for the settings, because you'll find here also interesting options. For example, in the shading methods, you are able to take photo by tapping on the screen. Take a look. When you click and hold, you can lock focus with this lock right here. To unlock, just tap another time, and that's how it looks. Okay, so I think that's all. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.